We welcome you to Kubota Agricultural Machinery India Private Limited. We are glad to introduce our U36S for the esteemed Indian customers. Kubota Construction Equipment's compact excavators are world leaders in the mini excavator space. Kubota has introduced a new version of the 3-ton mini excavator. This machine has undergone many improvements in terms of quality, durability, and performance. Since this machine has undergone a facelift, its model has changed from U36 to U36S. Let us explain briefly about the features and benefits offered by our products to help increase productivity for our customers. Kubota U36S is powered by a 27.5 HP high-performance Kubota D1803 engine with direct injection system, which gives good fuel efficiency. Kubota U36S comes with auto idle, which reduces the engine RPM automatically if the hydraulics are not operated within 4 seconds, thereby saving fuel by 10%. The Kubota U36S uses load-sensing hydraulics with a variable displacement pump, which controls oil flow based on demand from the operator by sensing the joystick movement, thereby giving smooth operation by reducing hydraulic oil contamination. Kubota U36S is a zero-tail machine, which keeps the tail within the track width, enabling comfortable operation in confined spaces, where the operator need not worry about the tail of the machine during operation. The digital panel provides all vital information of the machine to the operator. Customers can also avail the log history of machine usage for 90 days. Kubota U36S comes with